Hello, so I have a job for you that you're gonna be doing for me weekly if everything works out. There's gonna be several websites we're gonna be checking, and I'm gonna have you research some data and put the data in this Excel sheet that you also get as well. The instructions are typed out in a PowerPoint for you, but I'm gonna show you a live version of it as well. So there are five websites. The first one's being yardsale.net. You go there and you will type in the city Capitol Heights, Maryland, and you're going to do this for all the websites I'm going to take you to, and you're going to hit browse sales, okay? So once you browse sales, you see if you come here, it says there are a lot of sales here, but if you scroll down, you start seeing the sales, okay? And what I need are the addresses for these sales, where these sales are happening, okay? So I want you to, when you get on the website for the first time, a little pop-up block is going to appear asking you, do you want to subscribe and get email notifications? Say yes, you do. You might want to open a new email address just for these notifications to pop up. So you can get those on a daily basis, okay? So here are the sales going on in the area. You scroll down, there's several of them. If you want to view all the sales, you can click there as well, and it shows up all these sales here. Okay, just so you can see all the sales in one view. But we're going to go back to the list. Okay, now what I want you to do is on each one, you want to get the address. Okay, so for this one, you click it, and it gives you the address as 14509 Church Street, Upper Marlboro, Maryland. So what you want to do, you want to copy this and go to this Excel spreadsheet. The property address is that. It's in Upper Marlboro. And you're going to put the state Maryland there. Just forgot to add it in. I'm going to add it in for you when you get the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, it's going to be property state as well. Okay, and the zip code is, just go back to the other screen. It doesn't have the zip code there, but Upper Marlboro, Maryland. Let me put in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. There you go. The zip code you can get later, but to get the mailing address, this information, and the owner first and last name, you're going to go to SDAT. You're going to search real property search Maryland. And I'm going to include the link in the PowerPoint as well, okay? So you click that. So Upper Marlboro is in PG County. So what you want to do is click down here, look for Prince George's County. There it is. Street address. Continue. And when you're going through this, if you don't know what county it is in Maryland, you can just do a Google search. Just go to Google and just search. For example, that's the address. Upper Marlboro, that's the address. And just ask what county. And just search for the county on Google so you can know the right county to select when you get to here. But this one is in Prince George's County. So the address for this one is 14509 And the street name, you only need to put the street name Church. It's the street name. You hit next because it's on Church Street. Hit next, and there it is. So it pops up two things: the owner name, where the owner actually lives. Okay, so you're going to go back to the spreadsheet, and it seems the owner and the mailing address is the same one, the zip code being 20772. So since that's the case, you just got to enter the information again. And the owner name, just copy it. First name, last name. And there you go, we've done one of them. Okay, so that's one. So what you do is, in following the same example, you go back, you got this one. You go back and you go through all of them and you put that same information in. Now you're going to do the same task for all the other websites. So for example, the second website is estatesales.net. So you put in, again, Capitol Heights. If it's not letting you type in Capitol Heights, Maryland is right here. You click that, and then you can hit Capitol Heights, Maryland. Okay? You hit search. Again, you scroll down for the list, and here are the addresses. Okay? 4000 Howard Avenue, Kensington, Maryland. I think this property is in Montgomery County. Okay, so you go to ESTAT. Go back. Montgomery. And this one says we're here. 4000 Howard Avenue. Okay. 4000 Howard Avenue. It's loading, and look, here it is. So the addresses are the same on this one as well. You just take it down, you copy it. You copy the owner name, the mailing address, and the premise address, okay? Remember, the mailing address goes here, and the premise address, or the property address, the address you actually saw on the websites, go here. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to comb through these websites, all the 5 websites, searching in that city, and upload the information, respective information here, using ESTAT to research, and Google as well. Okay, to kind of find out who the owner of the property is. If you have any questions, you can reach back out to me by email, which is jide@corerealtygroup.org. That's JIDE@COREREALTYGROUP.org. And remember, I want this list to happen once a week. So for your first assignment, though, go through all the websites, subscribe for them, tell them you want to get notifications, and get all the properties in Maryland. Go through all the websites: estatesales.org, estatesales.net, Garage Sale Finder, yardsale.net, and just go through all of them, get the information, put it all in a spreadsheet. For this first try, as soon as you go through all this information, just send it to me. But as you're getting information once a week, just set up a new spreadsheet. You can, add a new spreadsheet and name it the date for that week. So that will be 35239, for example, and just put the same information. Okay, or just put the week starting in March 5, and just put the same information as you have here, which is owner, first name, last name, property address, and so on and so forth. Like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll be sending you the link to this video as well as the PowerPoint to kind of give you also more direction. So let me know how it goes.